Hello, I'm Randy Woodson, Chancellor of NC State. NC State is truly the think and do university. Our students, our faculty, and our partners tackle real-world challenges and create solutions through groundbreaking research. Our Centennial Campus serves as a model for other university research parks around the country. And this is because we bring together renowned faculty, bright students, and government agencies and industry partners like no other university in the nation. We have 2 National Science Foundation Engineering Research Centers. We're also an active partner in 7 of the 14 Manufacturing USA institutes. Being a partner on so many of these initiatives truly shows that NC State is nationally recognized for its expertise with our country's most important industries and the latest technological advances. NC State brings economic prosperity to our state, to our region, and to our country, and we aren't slowing down. NC State adds $6.5 billion to the North Carolina economy annually. We will continue to partner with local industry and to lead national collaborations promoting economic prosperity for our state, for our region, and our country. Thank you for everything you do. Go back.